be doing some graphics design stuff on my webs my one of on one of my streams, and well, if you would call it graphics design, then you haven't seen real graphics design really. But I'm good. So this is my signature. In case you haven't noticed, or in case you don't know, it's always been. Actually, it hasn't been there. I've just put it there to try it out. But let me revert all of these changes back because we are going to be doing on the stream. Let me get rid of this file. Right. Cool. So, in case you didn't know, up until this point, I had my signature as a PNG file. It was a transparent. It was a PNG file with a transparent background, and it was just an image. So I think I used Preview on macOS to draw this on my trackpad, and it was fairly good. So I used it almost all the time in every single one of my e-signed documents. But then I was like, right, I think I have some free time. Well, I was like, okay, I have some free time today. Let me investigate the size differences between this image as a PNG and this image as an SVG. Because also, like as the screen sizes increase, SVG scales with the screen size, right? It's a vector image. So I was like, okay, let's try this out. Worst thing, you lose 1 hour trying to remake this thing in Adobe Illustrator. I got very close. So I've found a tool online which converts your PNGs into SVGs, and this is not the result. This is heavily modified still, but it's still very good. So there's one thing that I want to do before. Oh yeah, okay. Before before trying to put this on the website, and I kind of want to change the shape of the C here. Like I want it to be I want the top part of the C to extend towards the right just a bit more. So I'm gonna. This tree might be very boring to non-programmers, but then at the same time, um, I want to show you like what it takes to design a signature in Adobe Illustrator as a non-professional graphics designer. And yeah, I wanted to give you a behind-the-scenes um, video, essentially. So right, let's get started. So the first thing that I want to do is to drag the signature towards the right just a little bit. So I want it to finish right around there. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this right. I'm going to drag this as well, drag that one as well, and drag these ones in to fit with the rest of the movement, to fit with the rest basically. Right. This probably, yeah, so I want to expand this area just a bit. Right, I think that looks fine. I've done most of this work offline. I just wanted to show you like how you can use vector images in your websites, how I do it, etc., etc. Right. Right. Do I want the tip to be? Oh, okay. Anyway. Should I keep the tip part sharp like this, or should I like smooth it out? I think, yeah, I think something in the middle would work. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, now I want to round everything off. Like I don't want any rough edges. This area looks a bit rough. I'm looking at this on a 4K screen, so I'm probably able to see more than what you can see on the stream. No. Okay. Well, I don't need both of them. I can probably delete this one and it would look the same way. Yeah, almost the same way. So I'll drag this to the back just a little bit more. And I don't need both of these. Let me remove, not that one, but that one looks like a safer bet. Yeah, okay, I still have two. Why? No, okay. Right, wait, why? Okay, I had too many in there. Cool. All right, so the roughness in here. Deleting this probably will fix it. And also there's that one, not needed really. Right, or if a real graphics designer is watching me, he or she is going to be mad. But or if a real programmer is, if a real React developer was watching one of my previous streams, same case, because I have no idea how React works. I have like, okay, I have some idea how React works because I have been doing this massive website with React, but yeah, so I'm not a professional in any of those areas, but then yeah, I'm just, these streams are just for learning, and I want to showcase my learning process to people who are interested. Not many people really are, but you know. Okay. Hmm. No. How about this? That area needs to be a bit thicker. So I think I'm gonna add another one there. Yeah. And we can get rid of that one. Drag this one down a bit. Like that. Right? It looks kind of uniform now, right? Yeah, it's better. Way better. Okay. Right. So this is new signature. Let me change this area just a little bit. So this one should be like more of like this, right? It's smoother now. No, that wasn't good. No. Okay. Do we need this path? Yes, we do, because it makes this area thicker as well. Do we need this one then? Yes, we do. All right, cool. What about Oh yeah, that one. This looks very good. This looks very good. Only thing that I'm not happy with is this area, and we can just add one more path so we can make it a bit thicker in here. So like, come on, get closer. Like this. And then we can drag this one up a bit, like that. Oh, okay, all right. And this area needs to be a bit more thicker. To do that, we can probably get rid of that path. This one? No, that one? No, no, no. I don't mean to add any more. Okay, let's get closer. Select that one. Yeah. What now? Yeah. Okay. And then we can add another one here. Make this area just a tiny bit slimmer. That's a bit too much. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Now this area. Do you see that curve over there? Right. No. Well, I'll click that. Yeah, better. I'll click that one. Yeah, that's better. I'll click that one. Make it smoother. Right, that looks good. Let me see if there are any rough edges now. There's something over now. I think that looks fine, right? I think that's okay. Yeah, looks good. Save this file now. I think this is on my desktop. Let me just quickly, oh, how do you show, anyway. So we can close this one off now. Yeah. Oh no, I don't want to close IntelliJ. So yeah, this file is on the desktop. We're gonna put this in our website. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Looks very good. I like that effect on the K actually. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, save, close Illustrator, close Photoshop. Cool. So next step, we can, yeah, we were going to compare the sizes of those two, right? So I'm going to open my personal website, and well, the previous one, the deprecated one, it is deprecated now. The new one is actually live. So what can I do here? So where is the signature? Yeah, show in Finder. I'm just wondering what the file size is. Can I double click to see it? Yeah, 16.92 kilobytes. Okay, we're gonna add this to our new website. So let me open that project in IntelliJ as well. Open project. So this is the new one, old versus new, right? Left, new, right, old one. Let's close all of them. Close these two as well. Okay, right, where's the signature now? Images, signature. Same thing, 1692 kilobytes, but then we are going to move this one into images now. 5.99 kilobytes. It probably takes more time to draw the SVG because we have so many coordinates in here, but then it takes much less space. And nowadays devices are faster, so I don't think it's going to be an issue. Yeah, very good. We've just saved like how many kilobytes? Like 10-ish. Big save, right? Half an hour of work, and then we managed to save like 10 kilobytes. Good job. Very good job. Well, anyway, happy with the result. So no complaining there. Now we are going to delete signature.png. Well, actually, before we delete signature.png, oh, what is this complaining about then? Okay, it's just saying that we've changed the file. npm, no, not in capital letters. npm start, and then let's exit full screen. Go back to Google Chrome. Do we have any Google Chrome instances open? Yes, we have. Yeah. Yeah, I've tried generating favicons. It did not really work. I have to read this. This seems like an excellent article on how favicons work in 2019. Anyway, I'm gonna read that later. Right. So this is how it looks right now. This is the PNG image, and now we're going to replace this with an SVG. It's not going to be something that you could see with your own eyes because the PNG image was actually good. It wasn't that bad, I mean. Okay. So this is the PNG. That's the SVG. I'm not like, I wish we could make it. Yeah, we could zoom in. This one looks much cleaner compared to that one. It's just better. The edges are smoother. I like the C, the first letter. The first letter looks nicer as well. All right. Cool. So we can find, actually, before getting rid of that, let me find the usages of that. It is only used in the footer. So what we are going to do is replace this with SVG. And this is literally it. And we can get rid of this one now. Done. If you go back to the website, is it going to refresh? Is the server running? Oh, okay. Well, whatever. Cool. It looks cleaner and crisper to my eyes, but you probably can't tell the difference in the stream. But I also want to make it just a bit bigger. So I think it was 24 pixels before, and I'm gonna change it to 30 pixels for height. Yeah, it was 24. I'm just gonna change it to 30. And I think I like the bigger one better. So let's go to the mobile version. Yeah, the mobile version looks good as well. Yeah, I'm happy with this change, and yeah, we can push it in. Good. So this was a task for today. It was convert your signature into a convert your PNG signature into an SVG file and put it on your website. It's done now. I can stick this to the complete area on my wall. I'll do that later. Let me create a branch. Actually, you know what? You don't need to watch me create a. Actually, yeah. I'll just do it. I'll just do it. It's fine. Signature. SVG signature with status git commit converted signature into SVG file and added to the website git push. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, I can merge that one later. Now, what I want to do is I'm gonna stop the streaming here, and then I'm gonna fix a production bug, which won't take more than 3-4 minutes, probably. Anyway, I'll stop the streaming here, and I'll be back in like 5 seconds.